So this is House of Pancakes, right? It's a market. It's based in Belleville. It's close to a church, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a very nice area, right? As you guys can see. Um, so I have come to do the install today, right? But the lady, they don't have power here. That's number one. Number two, the lady was not prepared for training because the people that had to be here for training is not here. She said that tomorrow I will have to come back to do training, right? So this is the market that they'll be running from the 20th of this month to the 20th of next month. Um, so there's quite a few stalls here, as you guys can see. So House of Pancakes is the one we're coming to now. So it's an event, right? So this is the House of Pancakes, right? And as you can see, our two terminals are here, right? So what I have done, I've run the cable and everything, right? For the terminals, I've got the power plugged in. I've got the kitchen cable, network cable for the kitchen printer ran out already, right? So I'm just gonna go around. Just to give you guys a better look. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is how it looks at the moment. Alright, there's still a lot to be done. They must all get power here, they must all sort out their stoves. So here's the two terminals. Alright, this is pos number one, and the switch is under here. Alright, we got a switch. So the switch is to, they got no Wi-Fi network here. So the switch is only to connect the kitchen printer. We're connecting the kitchen printer via the switch, and we're going to make the terminals static IP address, right? So the cable for the kitchen printer is coming from the switch. It's coming down here, up behind this board, and it comes all the way around under, all right? And the kitchen printer will come here. So I've got the cable there already. I'm going to take the kitchen printer with me because they don't have power, and I'm going to come back tomorrow to just everything is already plugged into the power, so all needs to be done is just make sure the printers are printing, and then I can start with the training. All right, so there we go.